Welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma assures infrastructural development of Lom Yodo in Himakaidan. Mauhati NBC expresses concern over construction of stadium at Umlabear Block 2 by Assam government. The relatives of Prof. and Shillong expresses concern as doctors are yet to extract the bullets from the injured person. Renowned Khasi artist Gabriel T. Maulong entertains people of the newly created East and West Khasi district. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today assured of providing infrastructural development of Lom Yodo in Himakaidan. Taking part at the decapitation of goat at Lom Yodo in Smith, which forms part of the Shatnongkrem of Himakaidan, the Chief Minister, while talking to the media, said this place needs infrastructural development for preservation of the rich cultural heritage of the tribal community and also to attract tourists. He informed that the rites and rituals have been performed in this place for the last 200 years.
On this occasion of Shatnongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I am here today to witness a very important ritual called Pomblang. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Kairim and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is.
Speaking to the media, the tribal chief of Himakaidan, Dr. Balajit Singh EM, said the Nongkrem dance, which will culminate tomorrow, is to thank God the Almighty for his benedictions and also to invoke him for the well-being of the people of the Hima.
We have done the rituals, we have done the sacrifice, and the dance is there now. Where along with what we have, we also have to follow some protocols because the situation, pandemic situation in the hills, though it has lessened quite a lot, and protocols have been relaxed. So look forward to Almighty to bless us during our festival, so that the coming months will see us have clean nature, where the pandemic is done with ultimately, and we hope that God will bless us in bounty, because we have suffered so much, the people have suffered much for the last 1 year, more than a year now, because of the restrictions and pandemic situation, and hopefully all this will go after this festival of course, Nongkrem dance. And very positive and good signs prevail, and hopefully that the reality will come in the days to come, that all this is done well, and that we'll have better days ahead. The change is there, the change is palpable, but still when we have our own unique festival in untampered with in its originality, so we see that it still attracts attention and attracts dancers, young people especially, which is a very positive sign for us. We are hopeful that this will continue, and with some amenities for the festival, we will see that this will continue.
member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Charles Marngar, who represents Mauhati Assembly constituency, today expressed concern over the construction of stadium at Umlaper Block 2, and the state government was not saying anything on the matter. Marngar also said that he has informed the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong to immediately act on the matter.
Ki parlok na ki press media ki jongi ki bala pelak ye kepor ke jong pi dia ke jing ye kendo bat pi ke ni kesengi ke don ke wei ka jingja ka banga kwa ban kran leng ba jong pi ki lat pathai ku bor bat kata ka long ba management step ha kepor khandai ba jem step ki don ki nong song snong jong ka snong umlaper jong ka raj nong tung ka bahap apo ka block 2 kabahap apa ka disputed. Ban ngalayo ka jing tip manam step ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar Assam. Kila inaugurate kila lumbreu ban plino ya ka stadium ka ba kila shna bros kata. De kalong ka ai ka basungsi. Habang ayo jing tip ba ka don kum kata. Ban marmari nakaliang ka jonga ngala kontak you Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Tenrenga klemyo ban ya keren nang ba ka phone namar ba uklam pick up ya ka phone te hadin si phangar phang ala persang ban kontak yo Deputy Chief Minister ba Preston Tinsong ban ya thu alor gani ke jingja ban ngala ya keren ru bad I Deputy Commissioner jongka Ribhoi District ikong RM Kurba bada ke jing keren bad I mairu ilai thu shai ba kaladon ke jing keren hapadeng jong I bad ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Hamran West Karbi Anglong haka arpen reutrik jong benai Agos jong kani kesnem hadin ketu gejing ya kaja hang te hom laper bat ka basungsi kalong ba ka sarkar Assam ka ile persya ya gejing ikut ya gejing keren kadon ka discussion gejing keren hapadeng jong EDC jong I naribhoi bat EDC jong ka West Karbi Anglong ka arpen reutrik bat hakata gejing keren nakaliang jong ka DC jong ka West Karbi Anglong Hamran kalau mention clearly, kalau ong ba, we should not take any developmental works. Lane ban keep maintain status quo. Kata gede ke jingkren ke jong ke DC na po West Karbi Anglong. Rai ke basungsi pada kalong ba ngilayo jing tip ngala kali susu mana step ba. Kini ke fencing ya kata ke stadium hang te hom laper. Kadon ke jing pentrai ya kini ke fencing ru. Hakini kisengi peladap. Bat mendag kesengi kila ada ban pli ya kene ke stadium. Da UMP jong ke Karbi Anglong. Tengah penpau ke jing persyajur ba ke jing condemn ya ke sarkar Assam. Balai kambat ya ke ai ke balai keren. Balai se kene kala banlong namar ke jing.
Viewers, let us take a short break. Let us now continue with the remaining news. The relatives of Prof. Tarlan Shilla, who was shot by an unknown person at Kemba in Himamalaya Somat yesterday at around 11 a.m. and who is under treatment at Shillong Civil Hospital today, expressed concern as the doctors are yet to extract the bullet from his body. Shillat was shot while he was working in the plantation. The injured person was immediately taken to Mausanram Primary Health Center and later shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital. The relatives of Shilla said they are deeply distressed as the doctors of Shillong Civil Hospitals are yet to extract the bullet from his left hand shoulder.
Tiadin bangilawan siya sibil jala dep banle ke x-ray adun la dep ke x-ray ki ang banle na siya man say no tayo tukli tenre aduk menta yung anaga lumat menta pagsyam lala man say ta nakaliang dumi kuntom kayang kas nakibahiyeng kunpaw ng menta ke so kya kat kena kam belajar ba aduk kalau poin kecing musau doktor pada tunggu doktor wan menen arsteng lawan poin ne kemudian la sim keteng gela bangila wan tu lara Indonesia jika x-ray lara jika x-ray kila li cian syuwat na syuwat ke klaim na ai su wan injektan nar tiawak tar untuk seorang baik ban masyai dan stem sa le no ban puj ban senu to kli basa do don lang doktor ni tip nganggap tipi doktor teng no don lang.
Speaking to the media, the president of Meghalaya awakened concerned citizens. Banchai Marbanyang urged the doctors to give the best treatment to the injured person.
Nakaliang chung ki surgeon kim patem, nakaliang chung ki emergency kim patem. Habang ngirong hati po emergency ro ki ong ngimti ba yai ki badan hangte po emergency. Tagay gani ka daw ba kongsan. Kay gani ka pelong ipaj ba. Kata kamot ban peniap breo. Dada kalong ban peniap breo kata kamot ngamban se. Ngimban se nakaliang chung kum ka organization ngin haban ya chpok Human Rights Commission. Namar bangistan according to the Indian Constitution. Namara dangi base kat kumpa Article 21. Kada ong pate right to health, right to life, right to liberty berkhoj. Temata kinong kendong bapli na kinong sor ne mano ru habang yu ba kum kini jingjia ba panmen saw mong no apren ka jingi shop ka jingi dat ka jingi kini ya ki jaka ki puta berkhoj. Kalawan bandan shop no da kata ka jingera da ki suloi da ki atiar ban king. Kalong kum ka dawba ka pakongsan ka bangi haban ongru wan nakaliang chung ka police department kan haban shim kiahi ban budde ne kini benta bat kumju rong haban kentu wat nakaliang chung ka Khas Hills Autonomous Council lengbau MDC ubade in charge po ka Mausanram constituency un haban pej na marbolai kadon ya ka benta kadon ni ki an ki haban pej ban jengo na ka benta kini kam ya kini ya sho edat lembagi jaka ki puta tekai ka bang asawan ong bahan ni ka por ni kentu ya ka sarkar jela Lingba ka Health Department ba togin simkia sumar gini gibreo ai buni ubri unyo no ekamet ka bakoj bakya hadu kat menta la kumba la jandon kumba arp saw kenta kam ono ka jingjia ampat la ban sei ya ukuli na kamet jong u telar jabu ni ubreo uyap no manobon bakli gani ka benta habalawan ra po civil hospital ki bahaying ki bahasam mano amdan banang ban sumar ya ki bakum ki jingjia khamtam haba ukuli udan kamet jong ubreo detang ka hospital datang ki doktor kita kibala ban sumar kita kibala ban penkoj ban penkia ya ka jingem jongi ki breo amal la iwe piwe la kalong hakano ka bentan ya kanu no ka jingpang ka bangidon tendrei ka bang ngosi kalong ba ngampat ju khamyo sengaw ban ba ka civil hospital ka ka wei na pedang ki hospital sarkar ka bagi pajba na keleng saudong ka jela kiwan ban tuj ban pha sumar ya ka met ka jongki jingpang jingsom jongki anda ba kiwan hang ni khamtam kum ni ka jingja klem padio jing sumar ai rugam dukat menta Tishano kan poi, baca kalawai jong ipaj ba kan poi. Dia ka bang asang ong baru bahani ka por, bangi kentu hero nak.
Renowned Khasi singer Gabriel T. Maulong yesterday entertained the people of the newly created Eastern West Khasi Hills district at a program held at Mairang to celebrate the creation of the new district. Maulong sang the song Jadu Ayusha, composed by late Arwa Ropade. The song captivated the hearts of the jubilant crowd. Earlier in the day, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the newly created district in the presence of Meghalaya Speaker Metba Lingdo, ministers and the MLAs.
We miss you.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.